Welcome to Mind Cases. From the reckless plunge of careless drivers to out-of-control vehicles unleashing chains of violent collisions, it all converges here. Watch closely, shiver at reality, and remind yourself to keep the wheel steady. Buckle up, the journey begins now. Stopping a 15,000 load seems impossible, but the Ross XT4200 rising gate brought it to a complete stop in under 3 feet. Even standing still isn't safe. Luckily, the old man ran faster than the concrete.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the
Familiar road doesn't mean a safe one. Tall cargo still needs careful clearance checks under bridges. Truck rollover was captured on an urban road. Remarkably, a bicycle traveling alongside at the same moment was unharmed. No appointment needed. The road roller decided to make a sudden turn into the workshop for some maintenance. The accident reflects a lack of attention, poor teamwork, and unsafe work planning. The incident highlights the serious risks when heavy trucks drive against traffic in narrow road spaces. Tractor-trailer collided with a car turning right across a dual carriageway in Thailand. Fortunately, no one was injured. trailer lost control and was guided by police into the escape lane. The incident reminds us how vital brake checks are and how important it is to know where runaway ramps are on downhill roads.
¿Todo bien? Está bien, está bien. ¿Está bien?
A car lost control and mounted the sidewalk in Brazil, destroying trash bins. A man escaped by inches. Just fixing a vehicle when rice suddenly poured down like a waterfall. The mechanic barely escaped before an unexpected carb overload. Trying to avoid the vehicle ahead in a split second, the truck instead chose the medium barrier as its unintended stopping point. A new kind of shopping. A truck as the key, an ATM as the takeaway.
Jesus!
Just a few seconds on an overpass changed everything. A reminder that safety must always come first. A careless lane change on the Mince Highway turned a small car into an unwilling stunt performer with an unbelievable rollover. Some trust fate, some trust brakes. But when it rains, trust your brakes, not luck. On Fields Hill, only a few fateful seconds shook the entire traffic line. That scene still leaves viewers in silence. God clearly protected you at that moment, wishing you stay blessed always. Life can be peaceful until one spark flips the scene. Beware of gas tanks. They don't like jokes. The truck slid long to avoid a crash, while the old lady kept pedaling like nothing happened. Rushing into an intersection like trouble is waiting. Slow down. Don't let your car confess love like this. The truck reportedly lost its brakes, hit multiple cars, then caught fire. Authorities are investigating the cause.
你孩子车抓上了，现在啊！那车要不要个啥子？人出来没有？那个车重大，不然俺爸爸把你。
Trying to stop the car like a movie hero, but the handbrake said, "I'm off duty," and the door just waved, "Goodbye, everyone." Mountain roads don't joke around. 1 second to dodge, a lifetime to remember. Caution is the strongest invisible brake. small angle mistake and the truck spins like a gymnast. Reminder, check balance before lifting that dump bed. Small mistakes, big consequences. Roads don't give redo time. Always keep a safe distance. One wheel dipped, milk crate tilted, truck shaking like a roller coaster. Rough roads train balance skills. Empty road, yellow light, and the car suddenly turns on art mode. Luckily, no one was hurt, only some angry objects. Rushing once can ruin the whole day. Train tracks always win, so waiting a few minutes is the wise choice. Trying to stop the car, like negotiating, but the car was like, no negotiations, I'm strolling.
Куда пропихнуть завалом? Повторяю. Назад. Что-то я так и подумал, что он может...
Давай еще назад.
Хочу назад-то, вон, у меня сзади машина такая.
The truck lost its brakes and crashed into a train. A powerful reminder of why brake checks and road safety matter.
Get the home buyer edge. Go to ChurchillMortgage.com today. Again, ChurchillMortgage.com.
SuperAccess.org. Equal housing lender. 1749 Mallory Lane, Suite 100.
Not every path is made for wheels. This one's for steel, not rubber. Concrete beams are strong, but trains are always the final boss. Never underestimate them. The tractor tried to make friends with the train, and the train politely didn't dodge. A real-life iron and steel lesson. Some moments teach this. Cars can stop, but legs can't.
Train just hit this truck. Yeah, that's why I started like laying on my horn to try to get you to.
Crossing train tracks without looking is like playing life on hard mode. Luckily, this clip ends with a lesson, not a level up.
Det er han som eier den. Det er han som eier båten.
Warning lights flashing, train approaching, crane entering the scene. At the worst possible time. Thankfully, everyone's okay, but the message is loud and clear. Train tracks have no escape lanes. Stand in the wrong spot and trouble finds you fast.
Hier, jetzt kracht's, jetzt kracht's! Wahnsinn. Leute, das glaubt ihr nicht.
The bus stopped at the wrong place. The train was on time, no appointment, but still a meeting. went to film trains for fun, ended up capturing a hero chasing the freight train moment, still nerve-wracking 20 years later.
Oh boy! Good thing we weren't up in that tower, man.
God, I almost took that tower down.
One second can change a lifetime. Always observe, yield properly, and make every trip a safe one. Line 8 wasn't charging tickets today, just drawing stares with its flames. Sometimes the biggest lesson is this: a car can get stuck, but a person should never.
爱的很有自己的风格。
A small car rests in the yard like a lost traveler among steel giants. Universal Shredder. Even the name sounds like a steel giant devouring the old world. With 768 horsepower, the VZ950 roars, pulverizing a car in under a minute, as if time itself were caught in its gears. You've just journeyed with Mind Cases, where fateful turns and brutal collisions echo as timeless reminders for every driver. Remember, safety is the strongest shield on every road. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as we continue uncovering the haunting tales of the highways ahead.